The Samsung Galaxy S22 leaks have been coming in healthy stream for a few weeks already, and a new report points to an intriguing strategy change in the photography department. Before we proceed with this video, I would love to know which country you guys are watching our today's video from. Let us know in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Anyway, let's get back to the topic. Dutch website Galaxy Club has received more information on the Galaxy S22 and S22 Plus. Apparently, both devices will have a telephoto lens that facilitates 3 times optical zoom paired with a 10 MP sensor. Telephoto lenses are used for zooming in when taking photos, and the zoom limit is how far you can close the gap before the photo starts just cropping the image to get closer in, which is called digital zoom. The Samsung Galaxy S21 and S21 Plus use telephoto cameras that offer 3 times hybrid zoom. That's a mixture of optical and digital, so the rumored S22 lenses sound like a step up. However, that was paired with a super high-resolution 64 MP sensor. This leak doesn't refer to the Ultra member of the Samsung Galaxy S22 family, but that'll likely have a periscope lens for even further zooming. But the question arises, is Samsung changing its camera strategy? As mentioned, the Samsung Galaxy S21 had a higher resolution sensor, but with worse lenses than the S22 is tipped to get, which points to a really intriguing change. We can't tell just from the leak if that means zoomed-in pictures will look better or worse, as it depends on both the sensor and the lenses, but it probably won't be hugely different either way. The change in Samsung's strategy is interesting though, as it suggests the company is focusing more on the lenses than the sensors. Perhaps we'll see improvement in other areas that line up, like an ultra-wide lens that has distortion correction, or maybe a macro lens, which Samsung rarely uses. Samsung makes the lenses it uses on its smartphone, so it's in control when it comes to changes like this. For context, it makes most, but not all, the camera sensors for its devices. We'll have to see if there are any similar changes for other parts of the Samsung Galaxy S22's camera array. We're expecting the handset to launch in January or February 2022, so we got a few more months of leaks to get through first. So guys, this was our today's video. I hope you liked it. If you really did, then smash that like button. And don't forget to subscribe to our gadgets-friendly channel, Gadgets Times.